Because I'm a midwife.
Oh, yeah, midwife. Okay. What's all strike? Libya and I'm with the Mukwajuma.
Because you're
Okay. What is the issue?
because I think the first
Timasi. And I'm a mutu.
Okay. Because I think the first is here. If you are in I want and you day. But now I expect say my minister Kasai at least it be a uniform allowance a whole year. It be a million back one into Mumbu. Now to the extent say retired nurses any midwives almost no you're in charge and anyway next year no pension. You should computer how much more teaching? Only means Juma and I do okay almost nurses cost strike doctors in good and now we are not getting the income to chase you. Yeah, you call your woman the wow and now having fun and one but her mother. The doctors were there. The way woman is restless or that bed is so. Midwife Juma as time goes on over and our experience. Even doctors require times kids go on mobile. Only a shade they suspect to say, young coaches can. No one was that case or theater. Into the minute and a casa and idiot, one casay. Yes, a money and here. May I think for your midwife meaning. Now saying you had met me for 4 days. I paid everything. Make year the may not be a few hospital. May you program will take. May you degree will take. The name is going to be a friend. Your take hospital, only the midwife. Usually a couple of 1,000 because a median work for us a midwife and a nurse. The government are paying for you 2 months this year. As you know, many of us will be HIV positive. This means I said, overshare. You see, I hear a midwife now about maternity. Now, basically, I know to the other side of engagement. This will mean 6 months with the permanent. No, you know, be a tuning. Which will pass a barrel. What is means I send the planning one to some tears from more. The FM stations will be kicked off around here. I know which you are encouragement.
FM stations will be
encouragement. If I show me that man to be
also so Abraham Romano, so we are nurse or midwife. Also, dear now walker, now into you. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Nana yao, mutimi me ye phone India all the 2 phones and into me FM. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Me pacho wine
Me pacho
Jamfi, we are nurse and our midwife.
Me pacho me nurse, we are registered general nurse.
Okay, Mammy Tiano pay.
Lilia, Mammy Chia, and the Boma Paso. Lilia, in 7 years, where I met a family glass anything. Because the first amount of the revenue fee made that not a young abuse. You will be interested in every kind of abandonment to receive character. So, only you. You are elected after quiet. Bakudi, everybody of my years again. So, yes, but come, so you're going to my now, yes, I am from my Russia. It is a summer balloon, yes, 2 years. Not a training, women share some nursing. Not yet, the dinners are back. They also can be there now by a minute, not to be education. As some of the cultural for now. Document you a very little on social media. A document in a yellow crest. You never to be yellow crest. You shall not put the TV letter as a nurse for the Tomotica and Abandon America. Minister, I think this from Catholic to implement the demands now, a record Ghana 2 billion Ghana cities. And yes, the matter of black and yellow crest. We forget your friend is a $100 amount to you. The person level and yellow crest. All the people coming on the good to work market. Now, every attachment is no woman, your friends are all my family for that. I will need to kill you. All about the children, Samoa. All about the children because it's not my name. I have never you. Check in the music, you do it, and your friends and what will you do not to be true. If you don't find you, you have to make a Samazako Bako, when you know you will make it a problem. Upon fashion and money, and you are in and it's my money to get 100,000 Ghana cities. It's all from whatever. Dear na buy one for yes, I do not know she with me maybe I was up and I was in there when I was at the you did to me yes. Can you not do when matter or the matter in Obama what do you mean say the deal to number to
also so we are nurse in Greater Accra, Eastern Volta and OT regions. Region bia nurse for yebeko and a nurse for yenemo and the juma any midwives, any health service by sector. Wow, yeah, Juma, we are farmers, we are also bet my friend. Now, so watch the watch. Hello, good morning. Good morning.
Your friend is Justice.
Okay.
So, you're next to me, Mampo.
Okay, my entire pen, Justice.
Am I in next for the man now? Yeah, Mandino. And maybe did the how. So, Utuha, Ukwajuma. The Bia Obesha uniform now, Kwajuma. Yeah, a feeling in I say a buying by 1,000 Ghana cities name Phantom uniform. I read in the am I even say next media or practicing nursing or Ghana be a Ghana nursing boy because we are renewing the licenses. Now, licenses, no, they are quite even say. Over call workshop, a feeling in our call workshop now not accumulated points out in the renewed licenses. Our workshop, we work in our own next meaning our foul. Now, if you license, you renew when you say, I buy no MI 71 cities, don't just 71 Ghana cities, MI media. They are so renewing license. And we have to be about cool. Or mind in it, I mean, Yabodia. And you know, I am not as a minister, look for some other say. When you are not going to say, or when you are not going to say, or which is the because negotiations are last year. Against last year, we made negotiations a deal. Now, I go about to really soon. Yeah, sir. It's also midwives, any American and Regina. You are
okay. But you call the next person, not young far or no so. Mr. Omika said Greater Accra is in Volta, Mountain Ye, now, but it's also Mampo. Mr. Ma, Yenny Greater Accra is in Volta and OT nurses and Wahona Ekasa. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Omai.
Me ba cho free, eh?
I'm Shiashi.
Shiashi, okay. We are nurse.
I'm a registered nurse.
Okay, Mammy Tiano pay.
My mammy now was now in fact nurses for my core how near my name. And you may demand from the government in any BBA or my name in an ethical. Really in an ethical. Or my name is a patient to be. And a panel and do patient mistakenly a woman. No patient near HIV positive. Or my made the gross 3 months. Or my again psychological trauma me cool. Sanka me idea and commission with me. It is near man you demand them. Omo social media na omuni enyoma nurses ekum omo best so mo ko manuntu na omo no kre share bufu dodo omo mo dan omo commentators na omo kasa di nurses so atam ye tifi mo man yenye do ye ni njihu dan na share strike na so any admit any maame e wo kru fufuro so enye ye de ye share it is 2006 as na work and emuwa said ya anopa opanda bako ntichemu be implement am and no one sign keke and no you in case we be training na my busu we
it's level-headedness. Just a matter of being high-headedness will not help. It's level-headedness. Meet them halfway. Don't say midwives and nurses or retirement. I'm a volunteer. No more already no crowd do no open to my question home. Or person here you man retire. Hello, good morning. Me ba cho hanye. Me ba cho me nurses and doctors na edini. Why? Me ba cho pa. Basically me nim so your nurse. Basically good me on your nurse. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Pa cho hanye.
I say empty.
Empty we are nurse.
Abacha Leslie.
Okay.
Region.
Eastern region. Mami to Anope.
I want to know that spouse and the kind of place. And I mean, if I'm a question, I really have the also minutes of self in the year to immediately. COVID barrier. The junior media tomorrow, mine. And I never did the same in our COVID. It's a collapse here, and I've been coming in to the fight. And I was a family. The family, I can't go, no one is anything now. That's the way it's done. The farm and the coronation. But the kind of day, no one is anything now. Into the next time, you can't. I can prevent you as you say. About yes, area. As I said, about a fan of that. About local media, we from the dear person, by the way, the same time, one way the same time, we are because of the so, the Commission of Service, a banner getting any negotiation, a banner getting, don't share my end.
Okay, that is it. Once so Greater Accra Eastern Voter Utia. My auntie won't cut. We are nursing, we are midwife. More strike. Ghana for Ebitimasi, Ebimusu, Dimata, maybe Musu Candy on Becca. Now, also so dear now. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
The Pacho Wendy.
We got your family pass. We are nursing, registered nurse.
We are nurse anyway.
That's from Greater Accra.
Greater Accra, okay. My auntie want to pay. My honest Accra, Mammy Minia.
Okay. The Pacho. And similar personal, near America, near the piano, like sometimes some patients, and now we need patients are ocean and autonomous, and now we need to. And so, and then of course, media, so sometimes, yeah, I know. And you know, of course, you know, here too. Yes, say, at least with your meeting halfway, and you make a create, who say, what should commitment say, no man, I can. Obayama, Oman, Kuetuma, not a patient, like who are yes, patient, Mr. This all treat patients at the collab, a moment of the beginning, and as the room. You do at the HIV crucial. And no, open up the dear one, Uncle Shaw, on my area. Sometimes, young nurses now be to get the hope. Me young Cassandra, La Sula, I could prove because of the patients. It's a one Cassandra, La Sula, let you discuss that third grammar patient and at the answer I am a grammar. Our something only a summer minister that kind of say only Bubiame because Sinkawu woman will be a young court case 25th January. A month engaging. Okay, don't you mean and she said, "What the cabinet and that's tax for every now. The next minister can show me say, I would be a more capture book and research allowance to work. Budget. I really look at you say, more budget constitution, man for young count, then 2020.
Okay, not just say, oh, Tiana, I buy now for man come but almost say, Oko share. Handing over those transition on we na a womb. See a dent in our binary for man come. Young for back with chat to on any near the afford to train como. Now we are a buy a twasso. Yabeko Central Western North. Hello, good morning.
That's all I want to say.
Me who you pronounce where?
Namiando. The Pacho make a certain data crime in your nursing.
Mammy Tio Middle.
Yeah, I'm in that kind of minister and the Mumuka can be another crowd. On my master's in the 7, I didn't only allow them to go US and Canada. You need a kind of this and your passport and your court. Only once now, I want to cut it open. My retirement is in the Mramma. Now, I am going to say, and can do what you are saying with us.
That's the name so at the end or no. Okay. Okay. Yemfa an inch Central Western North. Central Western North. Central region, Western North. Unless if I'm more midwife, I'm more Mama yentie mo so dwumadie ne ye kawasem.
Me no ni me pa cha sem. Me no ni me pa cha sem. Otemuafo me bu aten. Upa central na sawam.
Okay. Hello, good morning. Good morning. Hello.
Hello.
Good morning.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Pacho Wendy.
What's your phone is Kevin? The Cassandra Asankegba.
Asankegba, we are nurse ni ana midwife.
We are nurse.
Okay. Na anopedia na wosoka.
Pacho, minimum health minister, Ekaka Science and Lecture. It is a nurse Jumana no my fire actually. The plan from the nurses nurse needed to make Juma, but not more over time would be an cafe for her. She said, my Juma or hospital, now I now while I now what far it should can actually. Well, shall I do you? Some year Juma, if you are a person who is TB, who bet me what TB need. Now I now create Juma, now I was a Tiaka. Sabi ya kana say na yi nti sabi ya kosa je say honorable minta kan do cast and papa bi tell ni akoma to yi na some na o ka na die aluton ya be koso a kopim say o me ni bi man o ma kaka ko a akoma be to yi na ya continue
aluta continue one so from central western of a nurse or midwife. Edia na wonso kana no pay yentie mo nso masem. Hello.
Hello.
Me pa cho wan ni.
Me Abuaje.
Abuaje ye nurse.
Nurse.
My yentie wa no pay.
Okay. Good morning.
Morning, my brother.
You see, the ekoso my Ghana mo no. My me bi no ho a me ntiase. Say a nurse for when you are for my some area. Na afidie. Se nipa no area say ono no tumi corner o just say patient na any other person dia. Na mpeni ko say iwo no. On be kan nsa hokwa. Ana afi doctor na ya afi nti so di
bebomu.
Eti bia me ya for na no hwe no. Na se wo se yen se ya ye ha ese ya no e na ti ya no to the insurance and that no insurance say any other person then what is the purpose of my work if you na who say what project you do school is gonna pay about demands of ZRM.
This is what they have shown but mumu bebre abeka say nye no kre
amagine I mean can say this thing it is coming from media general can say Omia TV and Musa there's no funeral grant and kilometric allowance in maintain more than put that.
Ba chow ya safa to so funeral grant no mo demanding for funeral grant bia
Omagine funeral grant be I don't know. That is a minister na ye free and I say na me wu a
kilometric allowance na no dey
na the kilometric no
aye
these things are all alien na enka ade no
because I know say and never more demanding you know if I remember about uniform about even crano 180 liters of a for principal nurse meboa.
Yes.
Book and allowance research for
those
teachers or much nurse for there. And a 30-month allowance, 1 month allowance to be the and never be technical.
And yet, at government of Ghana will from controller. They are even telling us can say facilities in India from the IDF, which we know are facilities that we know even pay values, let it be there. So the main setting is clear, say, Nadia, we are IDF control accountant general. A payment by the facilities through the internal generator funds. If they can't, Adia, every nurse, and you get the uniform allowance of 1,000 cedis.
Openny?
Yeah, man.
I have your demands. General benefit 17.5. 17.51. There is funeral grant. In the event of the death of a nurse or registered spouse or child, the employer shall pay funeral grant as follows: employee 2,100, spouse 1,004, child 1,004. So it's all inclusive. I don't think they are saying anything wrong. Come on, maybe I want to here. Yes, my brother.
The American of the American of the young you are some agency, the allowance are all the.
My dear. And no, who call her now just opposed to two different things. They are not civil servants, they are political appointees.
But are you all not
then you are taking us to a different tangent. And the MPs, Omo allowances be no be omoche. CEOs, Yaka one sem I kabu abufusem. Bank of Ghana governor, you trying to 1.2 billion a month. They are not treating anybody fairly. But come on here and say you say a funeral grant in him. And I mean quote to Charles say 17.5. Your quotation I'm pay, 17.5, funeral grant home. Oh yeah, employee na diabetia na yire in case of death diabetia any akwala wo a diabetia. Eti no omonya from so say bia media general 2 foot to Ghana for any ewom.
Kilometric allowance no.
Me ba cho kilometric allowance dey mean hui.
So it tells you say the government actually uses some media houses every year propaganda. Okay. The can say who are them and people the parties who are them and you see say people are complaining about opposition in their complaining. Or so that's what I do not say more opposition is going on. It is a book of learning I can go. It's in 2020 apply a course strike for this issue what can I say? Yes, help me to know she be sacked or she resign. Not saying the man I'm doing work to one thing about the minister. No, who say of a cancer, we can't make it no more bad. Now, we can't make it no more. I have said that they are not a penny in my own.
For see any panadol supply, which will be our super candidate. Central Western North, nurses and midwives, ye team and pay. Monso someone come dear. Hello, good morning.
Hello, boss.
About your windy.
About your family came from this year.
Oh, yeah, nurse.
About your baby.
Oh, yeah, nurse.
About your nurse.
My intel pay.
About your
yes.
And then my air cost of Ghana air time. Just a Ghana will be politics. Now, and then media baako ebi kan kan yɛ sɛ media and also about politics on our issue media no about the back no sɛ NDC ba ba mi nkyɛn nti NDC bi bia no ɛyɛ papa ɛyɛ wrong mo na mama yɛ mu bi yɛ bɛ kɔ saa line no mo na mama yɛ bɛ kɔ saa line no media no mo Ghana kete mo na research ni yɛ asɛm na media no kan ɛyɛ no korɛ ɛyɛ mfuturo no motugu Ghana fo ani ɛyɛ mfuturo at least na ɛwɔ no ɛyɛ no korɛ
me pa cho ɛti grant na me ready yɛ no dia me kan yɛ no yɛ mu demand no ɛnyɛ de ya list yo
ɔma yɛ me wo kan de ɛyɛ no korɛ me kyerɛ sɛ list na ɛwɔ no ɛni ni na ɛyɛ no korɛ
okay
ase yɛ yɛ bi sɛ ne bɛ ya nipa ho bɛ yɛ
okay
sana asɛm na kwa kɔle
matewase
me say utie other media stations ani esi yɛ bufuo ne sɛ some consultants bi mo wo be station so ɛne nsɛm a mo keka including mo support sɛ ɔmo nkɔfa old nurses retired nurses ɛnfɔ ɔmo mmra hwɛ ɔmo ayɛ ne yɛdwuma no wonim sɛ na no me colleague baako or attending the patient are not measures. Na some measures no at the end of the day, when you encounter with it, I'm not transfer to you. Yes, we knew and my patients are not survival. Alright, to me, can I say, the politicians are not also bullies are only the most one year. Yes, you're not also watching you. On to say, said, on the same years, no, my Kenyans are material.
Hey. Okay, also so Central Western of my interview. Now, I don't pay krata nurse for the ama all younger nurses, midwives, and affiliate groups within Ghana registered nurses. I said, this is your call to action. You are the backbone of health in this country. Your commitment, resilience, and professionalism keep our health system running, often under very challenging conditions. Today, we need to stand together, not just as individuals, but as one unified profession. We are urging every nurse, midwife, and affiliate group under GRNMA to join our leaders in pushing forward on the roadmap to implement our condition of service. This is more than a strike. It is a declaration that we deserve the respect. I feel the year free strike. Equal respect, recognition, and rights due us as professor. This is your fight too. Why should you join the strike? Enomaka. 100% healthcare coverage for all nurses and midwives. 50% healthcare coverage for your spouse, and 50% for 4 of your children. Automatic renewal of PIN, your professional license, which allow you to practice as a nurse. And okay, one more listening here. 20% rural incentive allowance for professionals working in undeserved areas. 1,000 Ghana City uniform allowance, basic necessity for our professional identity. 8% monthly base pay increment because we deserve fair compensation. 13th month allowance, which most health workers are already enjoying. Research allowance for nurses educators with master's or PhD degree. Fuel allowance for senior nurses, PNO and PMO and above. Every affiliate group within the Ghana Registered Nurse and Midwife has a vital stake in this movement. Whether you are a community health nurse, midwife, public health nurse, mental health nurse, enrolled nurse, nurse educator, nurse anesthetist, specialist nurse, rotational nurse or midwife, student nurse, this is your fight. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Omai.
Pacho Windi. Nana me into. We are nursing.
Omai, me a registered general nurse.
Okay, Kasa.
Omai, Mr. A nurse is for your bread. Your bread, partner. Omai, sir, your conditional service now. Adam, you get general as my fan. Amy, they say what kind. The one from the GLN, I mean, your union, Kasa.
That's right.
Omai, a proposal and a union at the core. Offer proposal, there are a lot of conditions. Your union and your leaders present out of them. I'm not picking the mobile.
And normally we are back.
And to the Modiaban, and on the ministry, no, education or the Temaye. It is sooner grant, I will propose them that one gem to. Again, may the open condition of service, full document, not send it, Nabaya.
Okay.
And the money from the media, no, too good. No, my only say, they strike, no, as far as affecting to school, nursing trainees, no. Because nurse educators no more education side, you know, and so enquire classroom demo. It is not a focus on enquire the health and after the hospitals and enquire. I affected among these no my open class here or my air session. It has a new media coverage, the other bit capture the happen or my pregnant women are able. Or my yes, Sabine. Often and into the crab I could free man, young couple baby free no hope. May I say?
Okay, Miss Medase, I say pregnant women a woo because oba nurse ni no na midwives award journey the doctors no enya de sa eno ntino woo na omu ewo mame emfa we na fe me ne apomuden enjo che nkomo. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Me pacho we
I'm a permit here with you.
Yeah, you're so free here. Central region. What's our nurse in India?
You have registered general nurse.
Okay.
New school.
Okay. Ba enti wa no pe ya no ama wo ne so kakra ma me.
Le ba so you.
Kasa.
On my 2022 rotation eh. Le contacté I think through a patient and the computer hepatitis C. If I tell you, through the rotation, the hepatitis C, and then due to that, the mama said you be close over there for taking. You know, went through Biao and no crown during that time, the company allowance to make or something, no company delay, and mammy, you know, Yarana, a year. If the nurse is purpose price for these allowances, I support it. They should fight for us because I don't know. Government no bebano. On finance yes, hey. Come on, fire yes, hey.
But that's it. Okay. Doctor Akwaba.